Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account that already has your payment info. This preserves cards and offers. Once signed in, install Google Pay from the Play Store and grant camera, contacts, and payment permissions so the app can add cards and verify identity. Make sure NFC is enabled in settings for Tap to Pay. Without NFC, you can still use online payments, but not contactless transactions. After permissions and NFC are set, open Google Pay and tap Add a Payment Method to begin adding a card. You'll add cards by tapping Add a Payment Method and selecting credit, debit, or bank options. The camera scan speeds entry, but manual typing works fine when light is poor. Once card details and billing address are entered, the app sends a verification request. Complete that by entering an SMS code, approving the notification in your bank app, or using email confirmation. This step prevents fraud and links the card to your device. After verification, set a default card for quicker tap-to-pay transactions. Finally, make Google Pay the default tap-to-pay app in NFC settings so transactions route correctly. Once done, test with a small purchase or a contactless terminal and confirm the charge appears in your Google Pay activity. If the terminal doesn't detect the phone, reboot the device, toggle NFC off and on, and try again. If problems persist, remove the card and re-add it, or check that your bank hasn't blocked tokenization. That one troubleshooting step, re-add the card, fixes most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.